Here we come to the elevator, the Columbia Place Mall in Columbia, South Carolina. Looks like it's already open for us. Oh, crap. The second floor button's not there.
What?
But it looks like we got another panel. Go to 2. Or we don't go to 2.
Wow.
There's the elevator key out. I guess it's not working, but there's another elevator here, so we'll just ride that one. Come to the elevator, the Columbia Place Mall. Actually, here we don't come to the elevator.
Another broken elevator.
The other one's broken too.
Wow,
It's on this floor, you can see it.
what is up with all the broken elevators? Jeez. Wow.